So welcome everyone to the August MelbJVM meetup. How's everyone been? Good? No? So tonight, a big special thanks to ThoughtWorks. They've been really great. They've supplied pretty much all of the things. So they've supplied two of our speakers for tonight, who we'll be introducing in a second. Food, venue, food and beverages, so big round of applause. So tonight's speakers are John and Fendi. So they'll be giving a speech on Groovy for Java developers. It's a sort of intro to it. And we have Kiran, who will be giving a Grails Ember AWS project story, so that'll be coming up after that. As usual, we have a IntelliJ prize. It is actually a choice of IntelliJ products, so choice of JetBrains product. So it's not just IntelliJ, so if you've got IntelliJ before, you can still win something too. Special mention for tonight, MelbJVM hits 0x388 members. For those of you who don't actually speak hex or binary, that's over 1,000. So I think we've been growing steadily for 3.5 years. Con, do you want to say any special words or anything?
Seriously, it's better than I could ever expect it to have turned out, and it's all you guys who come up every month and make it work a lot, and hopefully work another week and not as well. And if you have talks or if you want to sponsor beers or something, but it's all welcome, so come and contribute if you want to help organise as well, come and talk to us afterwards.
Yeah, so I think we're the largest jug in the Southern Hemisphere, and this just puts a nice little icing on the cake, so congrats to everyone who's been with us. So let's move on to the news. So who's sort of into cybersecurity and stuff? Or has anyone actually heard of PawnStorm? It's the first Java zero-day exploit in about 2 years. It was discovered by Trend Micro, and Oracle has actually patched it just recently, so update your Java versions if you don't want to be caught by this. I've actually got 3 links there. The first one's the official announcement from Trend Micro. The second is their statement saying Oracle has actually patched it. And the third is sort of more of an in-depth look into how that was used as an exploit. So that's pretty cool. Groovy 2.4.4, so more relevant tonight. They actually did an update which does have some security fixes in it. Akka streams HTTP 1.0 out, so any sort of highly distributed computing folks out here? Anyone using Akka? No? Might be something worth looking into. More announcements. We have Gradle 2.5, 2.6 RC2. There's a bunch of new features in there, including continuous builds, and I can't remember the other one right now, but there's some really good links. And we have BuildShips 1.0, so that's a Eclipse plugin for Gradle. That's pretty cool. If anyone's interested in basically how the GC works in Java, there's a mini book out. And probably the last one, not really relevant to Java, is Windows 10. Anyone hop onto that yet? It came out on the 29th. Had some issues with start menus. Yeah, it's been a bit interesting. Anyway, moving on. Next meetup will be Wednesday, the 2nd of September. First Wednesday of every month, like usual. We have a bunch of topics there, and we'll announce the location soon. So stay tuned. We'll have an announcement 2 weeks before. And a couple other things. We now have a blog. So if anyone's interested in sort of MelbJVM news, what's going on with Meetup, other Java-based news, we have a link. We'll put it up on the Meetup site later on tonight. And as usual, if you're interested in staying connected with us, we have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, where all the talks actually go on to. So join, like, tweet, retweet, subscribe.